Hello friends. I hope you will be fine. Today I brought an amazing video about Infinix Note 30 VIP. The Note series of Infinix is famous due to its large displays, flagship cameras, impressive battery life and providing a balance between performance and affordability. Today we are going to talk about Infinix Note 30 VIP, which is launched on June 12, 2023. In this video we will talk about the specifications, price and features of Infinix Note 30 VIP in detail. Let's start this video. First we open the box. You will get transparent case, SIM card tool, and fast charger of 68 watt and USB Type-C cable is also given. Now we talk about the most important element, which is design. It comes with very attractive and glossy design. On its right side power button and volume rocker can be seen. On its left side dual SIM tray is given. At the bottom microphone, USB Type-C port and stereo speakers is given. On the top dual speakers and branding of JBL can also be seen, which gives nice audio experience. And under display fingerprint sensor is given. On the back of phone, there is a bumpy camera module is given in the top in a square shape. An LED flash can also be seen here. And at the bottom branding of Infinix is also given. When you move the smartphone, its back panel shows different colors and it looks awesome. If we talk about the price of Infinix Note 30 VIP, then its expected price is $300, 400 Canadian dollars, 280 euros, 25,000 Indian rupees, 80,000 Pakistani rupees and 35,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that we talk about display of Infinix Note 30 VIP then. It comes with immersive AMOLED display of 6.67 inch. It supports 1 billion colors which provide excellent viewing experience for different multimedia. And the higher refresh rate of 120 Hz is given. And peak brightness of 900 nits is given. And its screen resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels. And 395 ppi density is seen. If we talk about the operating system of Infinix Note 30 VIP then. The smartphone runs on Android 13 and the layer of XOS 13 is used, in which the user will get many customized apps. If we talk about its chipset power then. The MediaTek Dimensity 8056 nm chipset is used in. It is a powerful and energy-efficient chipset with 6 nm fabrication process which reduced power consumption and provides impressive performance for heavy games like PUBG, Free Fire and Fortnite, etc. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which 1 CPUs of 3.0 GHz and 3 CPUs of 2.6 GHz and 4 CPUs of 2.0 can be seen, which is enough for multitasking. And Mali G77MC9 GPU support is given. If we talk about battery department then. It comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 5000 mAh. And fast charger of 68 watt is given, which charge your phone from 0 to 80% only in half hour. And wireless charger of 50 watt is also given. If we talk about cameras of Infinix Note 30 VIP then. It has main sensor of 108 megapixels with a wide aperture of f1.9. And within this PDAF feature is given which provide high quality graphics for photography. And second one is depth sensor of 2 megapixels with f2.4 aperture is given. And third one is macro sensor of 2 megapixels with f2.4 aperture is given. And you can record video of 4K at FPS from main sensor. And it has 32 megapixels front camera for amazing selfies and video calls. In terms of memory, it comes with dynamic RAM of 12 GB LPDDR5X, which is expandable. It comes with single variant of 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. If we talk about the body dimensions of Infinix Note 30 VIP then, its height is 162.7mm, 76.9mm width and thickness is 8.2mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 87.1%. And its weight is 190 grams. If we talk about the body material, then protection of tempered glass given on the front. And its frame is made of plastic. It comes with glass back. It has IP53 rating which can prevent dust particles and light splashes of water, such as raindrops from entering the device, but it may not be completely dustproof. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2. These phones are available in Magic Black, Glacier White and Racing Edition colors. So guys, Infinix Note 30 VIP is a combination of affordability, strong battery life, large displays, amazing cameras and decent performance. Which feature you like most of this phone? Please tell us in the comment section. Stay with us to see such informative video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Goodbye and take care.